everybody, welcome back to the Learning Network. So in this video, I am going to show you how to copy a file from your host machine over to your virtual machine. As you can see here, my server was abruptly aborted, so I'm just going to restart it. I didn't shut down properly earlier, so that's why I got that message. And so word to the wise, don't try it on your own. Make sure you shut down properly. So once I have the machine powered up properly, I'll go ahead and show you how to copy those files from the host machine over to our virtual machine. So here's my Windows Server 19 booting up. Once it boots up properly, we'll give it a try. Let's see what we have here. Takes a few minutes to get going. I have to log in. As you can see, it says press Control Alt Delete. So we're going to go over here where it says Input Keyboard, and we're going to just do the Control Alt Delete on our virtual machine, and then we're going to log in. Let that run. And once it logs in, we'll go through the process of how to copy a file from your host PC, your hosting PC, over to your virtual machine. It's really the same computer. Okay, here we are. So now if we go to machine, and we want to actually go to File Manager right over here. And as you can see here, we have host file system, which means these are the files on your local C drive on that computer. And there's your guest file system running under the auspices of VirtualBox, right? Same machine, but this is just your virtual machine environment. So what we want to do, make sure you log into your virtual machine, even though you're logged in already. But for this particular process to get to those files on your host machine, you want to log in again through the virtual environment. So log in. Oops, make sure it's the right format. No caps locks. Take that off. And you spell it right too, that helps. And I'm going to put the password in there. Let's try it again. I think I spelled it right. I got my glasses on. I think I can see it right. Alright, let me see. So you need pink, so that might be a good sign. Alright, good. Now, before we go any further, let me close or minimize Server Manager. Make sure I put that right. Alright, there we go. So now we just have the desktop. Let's see if I can stretch this out a little bit. Okay, here we go. So this is our local machine, C drive, and this is our guest machine, the virtual machine. So what you want to do, you want to double click this guy and see you have all the files here. So let's go to users. Let me see what I can choose here. Picture. And so what I want to do is choose my C drive over here on the virtual side. Users, administrator. And I'll put it under download empty. Now, so you want to highlight this file. Sorry, it took a long way home. So you want to highlight the files already highlighted. So then you want to see this little arrow right here, and it even tells you copy from host to guest. Click on that, and voila, there it is. It's that simple. And so you can see it's copied. If you want to go over to your directory, administrator downloads, you should be able to see it. Let me see if I can bring that up. Actually, let's just do this. There it is, right there. Boom. There is the file. So as you can see, so now the file is actually on my local virtual machine.